Good morning! You're watching Tap in Time. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're not already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So, without further ado, let's tap in time. In today's video, we're going to be working on section 2 of the routine, Who Put The Bomp by the overtones, for a beginner's level. So, let's begin. So, standing in parallel with our knee slightly bent, we are going to be starting with the right leg first. We have a shuffle in front followed by a ball change. However, we are going to turn clockwise when we perform the ball change to face the right, like so. Then we repeat these steps, shuffle in front followed by a ball change to face the back. Perfect! We then perform these steps 2 more times. So we have a shuffle in front, followed by a ball change to face the left side. And shuffle in front, followed by a ball change to face the front. Perfect! Always making sure that the right leg performs the shuffle and the ball change. From here, we perform the same steps. However, we will be turning anti-clockwise. So we have a shuffle in front with the right leg, followed by a ball change to face the left side, like so. Shuffle in front, ball change to face the back. Shuffle in front, ball change to face the right. And one last shuffle in front, ball change to face the front. Perfect! That's all of section 2. Let's now piece together all the steps that we've learned. So again, standing in parallel with our knees slightly bent, we're going to be starting with the right leg first. We have Perfect! So there you have it, section 2 for the routine Who Put The Bomp